Hi, excuse me. I was wondering if Pamela's home.
Who may I say is this?
Marcus.
My brother. My brother. Marcus is my brother. Right, bro?
Hi, ladies.
Hi.
Hi.
Marcus.
Pamela.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a nurse.
I'm a
Wow,
nurse.
nurse! Yo, regardez, pam nou se yon nurse li etou, oui men.
Qui ça?
Oh, nurse pam nou etou. Ah, bon bagay.
Nous avons toute raison pour nous commencer à
Oh,
jouer.
come on, let's do it, son.
Play the damn game, brother. Why the hell did you tell this girl that I was your brother?
I need you to fall in love with Christy.
Why the hell would I do that? Are you crazy?
Do you want to be broke for the rest of your life?
Of course not.
Christy have a lot of money.
We're going Belfry.
Oh, where's that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not doing this.
Oh, you're gonna do it, Marcus. You have no choice. We're gonna damn what from now. Réponds-moi, Marcus. We're gonna damn.
Would you marry me, Christy?
Oh my God. I miss you. Please.
Pas foutre nous encore, que papa emmerde.
C'est qu'on sauve les fels? Si c'est qu'on sauve les fels, qu'on va mourir aujourd'hui. Ma moudre ça me pèse. Listen to me. Now you can't run. Okay? Femme jolo. Pensez m'a jouer avant? Moi courir la connais pas qui toi les m'a que bon m'a déchiré aujourd'hui pour la jambe.